Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you everything I am packing for my Southeast Asia trip. So I should be gone around a year, I don't really know. I'm kind of just playing it by ear. So this is everything that I am taking with me. So let's start, I'll just start with this. So this is my toiletry bag. I have done a separate video on what's in here, so that will be posted after this one. Next thing I got here is my travel towel. This is a Turkish cotton towel. It gets really big and it's super thin and lightweight, but I like it because it's very big and can wrap around my body. But also, this towel is phenomenal. Like, it dries your body so fast. Like, you literally swipe it over your body and everything's gone. It works way better than a bathroom towel does, and it is very quick drying. So I can bring this to the beach if I want to. I can wrap it around as like a skirt. It's multi-purposeful. So next I have this packing cube. This holds both of my bikinis, my underwear, and my sports bras. Next is this packing cube. In here I have 3 long dresses, my maxi skirt, and my jean shorts. So I have these high-waisted jean shorts that I embroidered myself. I also embroidered the nice little butt pocket. That was really cute. And these are from ASOS. I have this long maxi wrap dress, so it wraps around. So then I have this midi dress, and it is super thin, which is really nice, and super flowy. It's just this really beautiful floral print as well. And then I have this really pretty strappy black dress, and it's got white little polka dots, and it's a high-low. And then for my skirt, this high-low, I don't really know, it's like a burnt orange color, but it's just really pretty. And then in my last packing cube of clothing is this one. It's very long. It holds a black v-neck t-shirt. I have a white v-neck t-shirt that I'll be wearing on the plane. Then I have this white scoop neck tank top. It has like thicker straps. I have my high-waisted yoga shorts that I can also sleep in and do yoga in. I have a cute little little skirt, and then I have a pair of cropped leggings. These are just like a burgundy color. And then I have my black long leggings. This is what I'll be wearing on the plane. And then I have a white tank top and a black tank top. They're just like little straps. And then I have just a pair of running shorts. They go really high and they're somewhat long, so they're not like short shorts, so these will be nice to sleep in and also just venture around in. So then I have this crew neck sweatshirt. It says Team Herbivore, representing the vegans out there. And then for shoes, I am taking these just little black slides. They're very simple, they're cute, go with anything. And then the other pair of shoes I have are my Zero sandals. So these will be really nice to hike in, run. They can get wet. I can literally do anything in them, and they're so comfortable. Highly recommend these shoes. So next, I will do my electronics. So first thing is my G7X Mark II camera that I am filming on right now, and I will put it in this little camera case to keep it protected. And my other camera I'm bringing is my Sony a6300 with, this is a 35mm 1.8 lens. So this is the video I take pictures with. I love this camera, and I love that the lens is so compact. Next I have is my computer to edit videos, pictures, whatever. After that, I have my Bose noise canceling headphones. Other thing I have is my Kindle. I got this as a birthday present from my bosses, which is amazing. They are so sweet. So yeah, so I can read books on the beach and on the plane and stuff. It'll just be really nice because I love to read. Next thing I have is the Anchor power bank, I guess you'd call it. This just like charge my phone, my Kindle, whatever I need. This will just be nice. And then in this little packing cube, I have the rest of my electronics. So I have my little tripod for hair on it. I have my little tripod for my Canon. And then I have GoPro stick. And my GoPro Hero 4 with a red lens just for when I go underwater. I have an extra battery and the charger for my Canon. I have all my charging cables for all my stuff. This is my universal adapter to charge everything, so it's really nice. It's from Zender, just has every plug, and so you can plug one thing in here and then you have 4 USB plugs, which is amazing, so you can charge 5 things at once. I have all of my SD cards. Last I have is my external hard drive. I just have it in this nice little pouch. I have my water bottle. Then I have my dry bag for when I'm going on a boat or it's raining. I can just put all my electronics in here so they don't get wet and damaged, because that would suck. Then I have my 2 pairs of glasses because I wear contacts and glasses are a necessity. So I have 2 pairs. Just in case one breaks, then I'll have another one. And then I have 2 pairs of sunglasses. I have my nice ones, and then I have like a cheap throwaway pair. And I have like a tiny little first aid kit just full of band-aids and antiseptic wipes. I have tweezers in here and safety pins. I have my reusable grocery bag, so it folds up really nice, and when I go to the market and get fruits and everything, I can just put them in here. And I also just have like a little cloth bag. Then I have my reusable utensils. I have a metal straw and it's cleaner, and then this comes with a bamboo spoon, fork, chopsticks, and a knife. And this thing I will just be putting in my backpack. It just has chapstick, eye drops, just little stuff that you need day to day. I just like having little bags for stuff. And I just have pens. Next, over here I have my copies of my travel documents because they are always good to have with you. Then I have my wallet. I have this book that I bought a while ago and I haven't read yet, so I'm just going to bring this, read it, and then donate it to somebody that wants to read it. And I have my journal because I like to write things down, my thoughts. Over here I have a money belt with my passport in it. Then I have a rain cover for my main backpack. Very nice to have. And my sleeping mask because I like to block out the light. Then I have a inflatable travel neck pillow. Then I have my locks for my backpack and this little cable to wrap around something if I need to. Then I just have a headlamp for when I'm in hostels. And then I have my travel yoga mat. This is not a necessity for people. A lot of people wouldn't bring this, but I love doing yoga. Yoga is a part of most days. I try to do it daily. It can be hard, but yeah, I can't live without yoga. If I didn't do it, I would be an insane person. So, travel yoga mat. And fun fact, instead of buying like a $50 however much dollar straps, I bought 3 dog collars from the dollar store and made my own portable straps. So you can always make do with less. And last, for my bags. So for my day bag, I am bringing my Fjallraven Konkin, and then I have my little hair scarf that I wear, but I just tied it on here. So this is my day bag. And for my main backpack, I'm using the Osprey Farpoint 40. I just sewed this nice little patch on it. So it's a 40 liter. It opens like this, so it's like a big suitcase. It's really nice. So this is everything I am bringing with me on my year-long trip. If you like this video and you found it helpful for your travels to see what you would like to pack, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be posting vlogs soon of my journey and the things that I do. I'm really excited and I just can't wait to go. I'm not excited for the plane ride, but gotta do what you gotta do. But I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!